This video will explain you how to delete specific pages from a PDF file. Open your PDF file in the Chrome browser. You can see that we have 7 pages in this file. Suppose we want to delete page 4 and page 6. To do that, click on the printer icon at the top right. We will save this file as a PDF. Click here, and select the custom option. Type 1-3, 5, 7. Save this file to your desired location. Rename the file and click Save. Now, I'm going to open the saved file. This is page 1, page 2, page 3. You can see that page 4 have been removed. And page 6 also removed. Thanks for watching this video.